Good morning everyone, myself Shazia Fatima. I am here to present a seminar on the topic of Amazon services under the guidance of Professor Sudha ma'am. So let us look at through what are the Amazon services. Okay, Amazon services. Here we are having the Amazon storage service. So AWS provides a collection of services for the data storage and the information management. There are different core services in this area is represented by the simple storage services, that is S3 services. This is a distributed object stores that allows user to store the information in the different formats. So here are the different types of cloud computing products which offer the services, and their description are as follows. The Amazon web services, there are three different types of services types that includes, that is platform as a service, software as a service, and Amazon web services is a collection of a web service that provides developer with the compute, storage and more advanced services. Whereas the another product we are having is Google App Engine, which is a services platform as a service. In Google App Engine, it is a distributed and a scalable runtime for developing scalable web application based on Java and Python runtime environment. The another product we are having is Microsoft Azure. This service type is a platform as a service. As Microsoft Azure is a cloud operating system that provides services for developing scalable application based on the proprietary, that is hyper visualization technology and the net framework. So there are two different types of here we are going to explain two different types of services. One is compute service and storage services. Here is another example. Here are the different types of services that are available in the Amazon web services, that is compute services, storage services, communication services and additional services. In compute services, we are going to study about Amazon Elastic Computing Cloud, that is EC2, Amazon Elastic MapReduce, Amazon Web Services Elastic Beanstalk, and Cloud Formation and Auto Scaling. Whereas we come to the storage services, we are having simple S3, that is Amazon Simple Storage Services, that is known as S3, Amazon Elastic Black Store, Amazon Elastic Cache, Amazon Simple DB, Amazon Relational Database Services, and Amazon CloudFront. In communication services, we are having Amazon Simple Queue Services, we are having Amazon Simple Notification Services, we are having Amazon Simple Email Services, Amazon Route 53, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon Direct Connect, and Amazon Elastic Load Balancing. Whereas we come to the additional services, we are having Amazon Gold, Amazon CloudWatch, Amazon Flexible Payment Services, Amazon Fulfillment Web Services, Amazon Mechanical Truck, Alexa Web Information Services, Alexa Top Cities. So here we are having computer services. Compute services refers to offering that provides scalable computing resources in the cloud. These services enable user to run applications, process data and perform various computing tasks without the need of investment in or maintained physical hardware. Amazon Web Services offers several compute services to the different users. Here are some of the key AWS compute services. The one is Amazon EC2, that is Elastic Compute Cloud. In the overview of Amazon EC2 is one of the foundational services in Amazon web services, providing resizable computing capacity in the form of a virtual machine known as instances. These EC2 instances can be customized based on the specific requirements, and the user have full control over the virtual environment, which includes the choice of the operating system, instance type, and the security settings. What are the key features of EC2? So EC2 has a good scalability, that is easy scale computing capacity up or down based on demand. Instant types, various instances types optimized for different workloads is being provided. On demand pricing, pay for compute capacity on an hourly or a per second base with no upfront cost. So what are the use cases of EC2 instances, or what are the use of EC2 web services? Here are we. Web hosting and application development, it is a main, can be used there. Development and the testing environment, it is helpful. It has a high performance computing and a parallel processing. Batch processing and data analyzing, it is also used in the data analytics. The another feature we are having in compute services is AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda is a serverless computing services that allows user to run code without supervising or managing the servers. With Lambda, user can execute function in response to event without the need of explicit provincial resources. What are the features of AWS Lambda? We are using AWS Lambda as a service? Serverless architecture, no need to manage servers because there are serverless architecture. AWS automatically scales and allocate resources. Event-driven triggers function in response to event from various AWS services or a custom source. Pay per use. Okay, as you need the services, you can pay and use it. What are the use case for this? Microservices and API backend development, it is helpful there. Real-time file processing and data transformation. Automation of tasks through event-driven workflows, and it is also used in the chatbots and the voice activated applications. The another we are having is Amazon ECS, Amazon Container Services, and it is also called as EKS, that is Elastic Kubernetes Services. The Amazon ECS and EKS are the container services that allows user to run, stop and manage Docker containers at a scale. What are the key features of this? Container orchestration, efficiently manage and scale containerized applications. Integration with other AWS services, it is flexible in scheduling. Use cases: microservices architecture with containerized application, continuous integration and continuous development, managing and scaling containerized workloads in the Kubernetes environment. Okay, here the second up we are seeing here is a storage services to meet different needs ranging from simple file storage to a scalable and durable object storage. Here are some of the key AWS storage services, that is Amazon S3 services, that is also known as simple storage services. Amazon A3 is a highly scalable and durable object storage services designed to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere of the web. It is commonly used for the backups, archiving, content distribution, and as a foundation for the data lakes. What are the key features of the Amazon S3? Scalability is there, durability and availability is there. It has very high security, and data lifecycle management is done in the Amazon S3. What are the use cases of the Amazon S3? The main use case is data backup and archiving. It is also used in data backup and archiving of the data. Static web hosting, it is used in big data analytics and data lakes, which are useful for the data scientists. The information which is needed over there is being collected and stored in the Amazon S3, so that when it is required, it is needed. Content distribution, it is used in content distribution. Another services we are having is Amazon EBS, Elastic Block Store. Amazon EBS provides block level storage volumes that can be attached to the EC2 instances. EBS volumes are suitable for the databases, file systems, and other storage intensive application, providing persistence and high performance block storage. What are the key features of Elastic Block Store? Volume types are increased, offer different volume types, optimized for the various use cases. Snapshotting is available, allow user to create point in time snapshot for EBC volumes for data backups and recovery. It helpful in encryption, supports encryption for data at the rest of the enhanced security. The use cases of these are storing data for application, running on EC2 instances, running databases that requires persistent storage, high performance, and the mission critical workload. The another we are having services is the Amazon Glacier. Amazon Glacier is a low-cost storage services designed for achieving and long-term backup for infrequent access data. It is suitable for the data that is retained but rarely need to be retrieved. The key features of this is it is a low-cost storage, evaluates and archives, retrieval option. It has the retrieval option. The use cases for this is long-term data archiving and backup is possible, compliance and regulatory data retention requirements, infrequently accessed data storage. Thank you.